Welcome back, everybody, to Magic Mac 80. This morning it is Tuesday, April the 14th. And I got this yesterday. I didn't preview this, just kind of like walked in a store, a video game store, and they had it in the back. So, um, couldn't help myself. I had to get this because I already got the dark, Charizard or whatever, like 2 months ago. So I had to do this. Right into this. There we go. Not too bad. Plastic wrap. Very nice tin and very nice card. This will be my 5th Charizard card acquiring within like a week. Look at that. That is a beaut. Take it out carefully. I want to do something. Where's my sleeves? Oh my goodness. Oh, here they are. Found them. Right. Yeah. And then now he's with his brothers. Yes. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, ditto. Yeah, but he could imitate one of them. Um, so I didn't mention this card in my video last, but I wanted to go ahead and address that. Unfortunately, this card is really worn out. Like, unfortunate. Yeah, just it was battered. I think it was played quite hard. But anyways, I looked it up on eBay, and this card, well, if it was in pristine condition, PSA and everything, it would fetch almost $1,000. But the condition of my card is so questionable. I'd be lucky to. I think I'd be lucky to get like $60 out of this card. Unfortunately, it is not in the best shape, so it is pretty sad. At least I got one. All right, now I'll get back into it. Packs. Let's start with this one. Alright, Lombre, Vote, Tang, that, Rockix, Buskin, Alana Golem. Oh yeah, Patelli. We got a Patelli like about a week and a half ago. My other video. Nice. We have Lombre, holographic. We got two of them. Oh, we got Whale. Very nice. On to pack two. And I was going around trying to get the Pokemon machines at my local like stores or whatever, grocery stores, and they had the $150 one first choice, and then they're all locked out or sold out. Like like the mechanism activates on those machines. But anyway, get back into this. Nuzleaf, Sandslash, Abra, Switch, Fighting Gong, Shed Ninja, Inteleon, Selby holographic, uh, Reverb holographic, Dialga. Got Stravis, Durladon, Carvaha, Charmeleon, nice. Sea Viper, Bramble, yes. Fire Breather, that's pretty cool. That reminds me of some Avatar, the Fire Nation people. That reminds me of that. Tripinch, holographic, nice. And then we have Snubbull, holographic, very nice. And then we have Toxtricity. That had before. And then we're on our last pack here. We have Ghastly. I have plenty of Ghastlies. Bolton, Polyham, Guneri, Tug Dimaru. We have Wondrous Patch. We have Granbull, Razong. We have Murkrow. That's a holographic, nice. We have Ammo Swine. Pretty nice card. We have Empoleon X. That looks pretty cool. Alright, that's all I got. I'm gonna make part 2 soon here. So, excuse me. I'll see you guys in part 2. Magic Mac 80 out.